Gentlemen, ladies, and anyone in between, I welcome you all, and today's review is being brought to you by Danforce. Groundbreaking at 10 seats. I can't even do it. Screw it. I don't have time to do this 1,000 times. This is staying in there. All right. Here we have a potato. Not metallic blue. Here we have a lure from one of the fastest growing YouTube channels, and for a damn good reason, Marling Baits. What is going on, guys? I thank each and every one of you for joining me, and today is going to be one of those days where I just hope I don't lose a lot of people that are subscribed to me, because I'm just going to have a little bit of fun here, and it has nothing to do with a distaste or like or dislike or anything against the brand. It's just me personally. If I were the What is going on, guys? I thank each and every one of you for joining me, and today I can't even keep a straight face over this. I hope you guys that have been following me for a while don't unsubscribe for me as a result of this video, because what we're going to be doing today is kind of poking a little fun at good old Kastking. And I want to start this off, and again, you guys are probably like, just get to the damn point already, but I just want to give you a little backstory. Go back, I don't know, April of last year, where I put out a comparison video between a Kastking Legend and a favorite fishing white bird and a Shishimo bait caster. It was two $40 reels and an $80 reel. We swapped all the parts. So we took all the parts from all the reels, basically spun a table around, put a main gear on one, drag stack from another. You know, everything was basically hot swappable, instantly just plug and play between the three reels. And we found out the Guggen Squad backed or partially owned brand Favorite Fishing was twice the price, and it actually was missing parts. Like certain things just weren't in it, and you know, whether it be just a magnetic magnet in the magnet brake or the centrifugal part of the brake, it just wasn't in there. So it was literally the same reel 99% of the way. It just didn't have some of the same stuff that the other reels had that were half the price. And I ended up giving all those reels away because I didn't want to keep them. I just have enough reels as is, and I thought it would be a nice thing to do, just kick off and just throw you guys a couple reels. And in order to get involved in that giveaway, you had to tell me whether or not you thought that Favorite Fishing spelled their own name brand wrong. And whether I was right or wrong to believe that they did, every single person that entered that giveaway believed, along the same lines as I did, that Favorite Fishing spelled their own name brand wrong. And fast forward a couple months after that, Favorite Fishing no longer uses that name branding anywhere within their website. It's gone. It's absent. Select Tackles was changed to Powered by Favorite, and then I don't even know where that went. So it's with that being said, I kind of want to poke a little bit of fun at this, because me personally, if I were the owner of a fishing tackle company, I kind of am as tackle advisors. This is kind of like my own little thing here. But if I were the manufacturer or a company that, I don't want to say Kastking, I don't think has the factory that makes these like Shimano does, or some of the Daiwa reels that come out of Japan. Don't want to go down that road, but if it were me, I wouldn't let this slide. I always try to be as upfront, open, honest, and clear as possible. So when a company like this, and this is where I need you guys got to tell me if I'm right or wrong, and just understand that on my display and with my eyeballs, this reel is not metallic blue. Even though on Kastking's website and Amazon's website, it's listed as metallic blue. Through the viewfinder of my camera, it looks slightly bluish. On my Dell XPS, which has a 4K, very accurate display on it, Dell may not be the best thing, but the display on that is very, very accurate color-wise. It shows up, it's represented accurately in comparison to, say, my Galaxy, Super AMOLED display, which makes it pop a little bluer, but it is as periwinkle, light violet. It's more purpley than blue. But it's definitely not metallic. So what we're going to do is we're going to play a little game, and let me know down below if you think this reel is blue or metallic blue or whatever you think it is. I've been calling it, this is one of my favorite ways to describe this color. It's Periwinkle Fury. One of the manliest colors there is in existence is Periwinkle Fury. And We're going to play a little game here. We're going to say this is a favorite fishing defender is metallic blue. It's blue and it's metallic. Therefore, it's metallic blue. Here we have a potato. Not metallic blue. Here we have an oldie but goodie, an Abu Mag Elite. Metallic red, metallic green. Not metallic blue. Here we have a reel that was submitted by a very generous subscriber. This is a Daiwa Emeraldes from Japan. This is like a metallic teal. Not metallic blue. Here we have a roll of painter's tape. Light blue, I'd say. Not metallic blue. Here we have a lure from one of the fastest growing YouTube channels, and for a damn good reason. Marling Baits. I don't know. This might be worth some money. This was from a couple of years ago. I've never seen this in his catalog. I bought this secondhand on a whim because I wanted like a nice looking big spook. This happened to be not a spook. It's actually a subsurface walking bait, like a stick bait, and it's caught some fish and it's held up beautifully. I guess he's using some good epoxy on his lures. But this is on the top. I would say that's a metallic blue. That's not a metallic blue. And with that being said, I don't know. Here's another example. Here's one. Not metallic blue. Metallic orange. There you go. Yeah, wait. Irwin Vice Grip. Channel locks. Pliers. Blue. Not metallic blue. Saltiga. Boom. That's a good example of metallic blue. Anyway, you slice it. That's a metallic blue. The funny thing about calling this reel metallic is they took extra steps to make sure there was nothing metallic showing. They mattified all the black. The spool's been mattified. You can hear the scrapiness that I did on the review video I did where I clipped the microphone, you heard me scratching it. Everything's matte finish everywhere. There's no metallic other than the worm here, the little sticker that tells me nothing I even need to know, and the level line support. That's only metallic. Maybe the handle shaft here, you can see it a little bit through there. It's brass. There's no metallic blue on this reel anyway. So, it's with that being said, take care, guys. Don't kill me in the comments below. Oh man. Don't know the words. But I'm looking and trying to just do a quick overview while I'm not wasting much of you guys' time while I'm reading this. Very similar. Okay, so the parts difference and the bearing differences, there's there really 6-ball bearings in the handle knobs in this little Kastking? What is this? Right here. Oh, part number 777. There's 6. We got 6 ball bearings in them handle knobs. That's an A for effort. Shishimo. What is this? Shishimo. Shish you. Oi, this is amazing. Guys, this is information that is you can't buy this kind of information. Now, because this schematic is so small, I'm going to pull it up right to the viewfinder and find out what's going on. Oh my God! Oh, look at that stack! Oh, that is such a wonderful thing to see. This is my new favorite reel on earth. Come on, focus, you. We have. Is that 8 or 10? Holy crap. Come on, focus. Focus. What's that bottom one? Oh, go crazy here. Is that the same number? Okay. Oh my God, this is ridiculously tiny text. Okay, no, it is number 7. That's my favorite freaking number with these reels. Alright, so since the text is a little small, I gotta grab a screwdriver as a pointer. And we have, starting here, number 7. Then we have 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. I need a minute to add that. I don't want to compare because it kind of, since the lines are kind of different lengths, I can't tell because the text is kind of small if it's equal amount of bearings. But we got 1, 2, 3, 4, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold on, I'll get it on camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We got 12 ball bearings in the handle knobs. Holy crap, that's the greatest thing I've ever seen. Guys, if you're ever running low on ball bearings, just buy this one reel. Oops, wrong reel. Buy this one reel and you'll be set for life. Oh my lord. I was wondering why it felt heavier. Holy crap. I have tears in my eyes right now. It's so stupid. Okay. Oh wait, what is, oh, new feeling for professional fishing. Okay. Thank you. Oh. Okay. What is going on here? They have 2 of the same schematics. And look, they put the bearings right next to each other. Look at that. That's the most amazing thing I've ever seen in my life. Thank you, Shishimo. Thank you. Whew. Alright, time to go fishing. 12 ball bearings in the handle now. That's a new record. Ah, this is gonna be fun.